Alright, second time. Let's go. Let's not screw up. Anyways, so I'm gonna teach you how to play my first song. It's not gonna be really complicated. It's actually gonna be kind of simple since it is my first song. It's like 4 chords, but yeah. First thing you want to do is just start out with the C. It's pretty simple. You can always look up these chords online. It's like just Google what a C is, C chord, or 5 basic 8 chords, but you know, anything really. So we start off with the C, and then we start off with this A, but instead of the ring finger on the 2nd fret, you do it on the 3rd. So it'll be kind of like that. So it's similar to a C, but just it's actually an A with the 3rd fret. Yeah. Moving on, and then we got F, and then we got G. It doesn't go in that order, but usually these are your main chords: the C and the A with the 3rd, and also a little bit of F. G is only played once, which is kind of dumb, but for me. But anyways, yeah. So how the song goes, it goes C, and then the A with the 3rd, and then repeat. And that's the intro. You can add these little parts to it where it's like it's just a lot of pulling off and playing the 3rd fret on the B and E, high E. And yeah, that's practically half of the song. Anyways, yeah. So the pattern really goes is to C, A, and then back to C, and then F. That's the most shittiest F I ever played. F. There we go. So backing out, oh, speaking out. Tell me now where to go. So honestly, I don't know. So see the light flash in my mind, wondering why so bright. Then again, see my dreams flying by. And that's practically the main intro of the song. It's a pretty short song if you guys listen to it. You guys should. But yeah. Anyways, yeah. But that's practically the intro. For the second part, it's practically the same, except one part it just has the G, which is pretty simple. It's a little bit of a mix-up, but I'll show you right now. So it goes the simple C, then A, then C, but then you go to F, then C, and then back to the regular A, and then G, and then C. So without go, and it'll sound like one like. So backing out, oh, sneaking out. Tell me now, oh, show me how my soul's breaking down, tearing apart and broken. And then it goes repeat. Just everything's just the same from here on out, from there on out. So just C, the weird A, and then back to C, and then F for the rest of the song. It's really simple. I don't know. I like it. I think what really makes the song really nice is those little hammer-ons. I really could show you how. So you play the actual chord itself, but at the very end you play the E, right? And then boom, they're right there. That's why I like the song. For the C, you just do the same thing, except for the B. You just do it on the B instead of the E. So for C, it'll be B, hammer on, and then for the weird A, it'll be on the E, hammer on. So dun 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 dun. So you play the B, and then the E, and then you play E E. So B E E E. I know that doesn't make sense, but so it'll be. That's all. Yeah. It's a pretty nice song. I genuinely enjoy it. If you haven't heard it, you should go check it out. It's like one of my first videos, and if you like the song, I think I did it better on SoundCloud, if I'm honest, because I think I did it outside. And you had like the nice birds playing outside and stuff. Yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that little tutorial of how to play Celso. I should have told you it's Celso from the very beginning, but I did say my first song. But yeah, if you want, you can take your own little spin on it. I would love to see you guys play it. Let's see if you guys do it better than me. Highly doubt that. Not doubting it. I highly expect you guys are able to do it better than me. But yeah, this is a different song. Anyways, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the vid. Like and subscribe.